Hello, this is James Cook of the University of Maine at Augusta, and I'm teaching the community gardening course, Cultivating Community SSC 334, to combat 4 challenges that are facing both the University of Maine at Augusta and Maine as a state in this moment. So the first issue that Maine is facing is a community one of food insecurity. Data from the Department of Agriculture, looking through the current population survey, sees that again and again, year after year, Maine ranks as one of the states in which extreme food insecurity is most prevalent. So the growing of food is one measure that we can take to combat that. At the same time, at the University of Maine at Augusta and other universities and colleges around the nation, we have been confronted with a crisis in community. In order to be safe, we have to stay away from each other, not be near one another, and interact through distance, through screens. And yet one of the things we know about people is that they work best when they can come together to work in community. The third challenge in addressing these crises that we're confronted with is how to organize community, how to build community up and make community more robust, especially during challenging times. And in doing so, as we think about organizing a community in order to confront the challenges it faces in material resources and in social contact, we also can think about individual people as leaders within that context. What does it mean to be a community leader, to help organize community? What kind of leadership is possible? The discipline of sociology and the social sciences more broadly have a lot to say about this. And so if you're interested in these issues and confronting them and addressing them in practical action, the University of Maine at Augusta Community Garden here on the Augusta campus will serve as our classroom for actually putting our hands in the soil. And the University of Maine at Augusta Community will serve as our field in which we attempt to organize community, and in so doing, help you find your leadership in doing that work that then you can take on to other communities, other challenges that other communities face. I hope you join me in our outdoor environment, COVID safe, with a lot of distance that we can keep from one another while we work together in SSC 334, Cultivating Community on the University of Maine at Augusta's Maine Augusta campus.